all we do to summarize the boat is pretty much screw these little guys in right here. Get them hand tight. Put a socket on there, tighten those up. There's only 4 of them, so it's pretty easy. Then all you gotta do is hook up a hose to the outboard piece and the actual, like, where the propeller sits or whatever. Super scientific. Once you do that, hook the battery up. Today's boat summarization day and beard number 34, I want to say. Today, this is my boat right here. We're gonna summarize it today. And I'm drinking Spotted Cow still. Is it Spotted Cow, Ryan?
Yes.
All right. Spotted Cow beer, New Glarus Brewing Company in Wisconsin, I believe. Now that I'm Wisconsinian, Wisconsinian. What do you call it? Wisconsinite.
Cheesehead.
Cheesehead. Now that I'm a cheesehead, but we gotta throw some grease in here. These little 3 Zerks. I just learned what that is today. I'm gonna take them out on the St. Croix today, hopefully. And take a look at the beard. Let's get in the sun a little bit. It's coming in nice. Look at that. Nice and long. Ooh. Look at that. The mustache. The mustache is looking really good. Yeah. Gotta get that beard. What are we checking? The fluid and hydraulics?
Lower unit oil.
Lower unit oil. So that'll be fun.
Got a little head on it.
Not a big deal. Good stuff right here.
That is good. I never liked Spotted Cow.
I didn't like it either.
I thought it was okay, but every time I used to have it was a chaser after a Bloody Mary.
Oh, gross.
After a night of sin.
All right, here we go. Yeah.
Holy shit. Oh, I think you did get in there somehow. Oh shit, there was a mouse living in there. Look at it.
Got this little inside space here, little sleeper situation. No mice in there. Come with us. Bring the boat home today. Beard day 34 today. Oh man, it's growing really well. Except the wife hates it. So. I don't know how your wife is doing, Johnny, but what are you doing to make sure your wife doesn't, you know, just slap you? Good. Before I take it out for the summer, gotta make sure it's nice and clean. Gotta get that. That's so it's like a dirty car wash for the ladies, you know what I'm saying? No, I thought this would happen. I thought this would happen. Like that. For the ladies. But you gotta get it nice and squeaky clean before you take it out on the water so that all the dudes are jealous of the boat and my beard. So that's the deal. Alright, beard day 34. Took the boat out on the St. Croix here. Cleaned it up. Got it all ready, summarized it, got it on the water.